Kimberly, anong message mo sa mga VAs na gustong maging top performer din katulad mo?
For me, hindi ko din napansin na I was performing more than I imagined. So parang hindi ko din na hindi ko siya expected na mapapasama ako sa top performer kasi ang ginagawa ko lang din naman is I always finish the task and always let the clients know na I'm always here to help them with the task or anything that they need help with. Siguro ang pinaka magandang gawin din is yung isa sa core value natin, which is connection. It's really one of the best thing that you'll ever have with your client, yung connection na yun. May it be more with the work part or yung sa minsan may konting personal kasi they always ask you din na, kamusta ka, ganyan, or how was your weekend? So yung little things na ganun, you can connect with them and just be yourself, like being authentic. Then they do appreciate it. With me, with our client, they do appreciate that we letting them know kung ano yung how are we doing or what's the latest thing about our life or what just we did last weekend. Yung mga ganong little things they do, um napapansin nila yon, hindi siya yung unnoticed for them. So I think that's one thing. And then siguro be more proactive then. Yeah, they give you tasks, pero kung kunwari natapos mo na, it's also good then to ask for more tasks if they need more help with other things. At least they'll know na you really are a reliable na VA. So I think that's one thing then.
Paano nire-recognize
Recognize.
ng agency VA yung hard work mo at anong feeling mo tungkol doon?
Siguro one of the most memorable na recognize yung hard work ko is when I joined yung CCA dito sa Philippines. So the core value that was assigned to me was about connection, which is sabi ko parang sakto for me because before ako pumasok sa AVA, it was really hard for me to connect with because of some of the past that I had with my work before. So parang it was hard for me na makipag-communicate. But then yung client kasi namin, they really made us feel na we can let them know or be transparent with them as well. So, parang doon nag-start na I really felt na connected talaga ako dun sa client ko. And I learned a lot of things from them as well. Maybe in work, sa insurance, and also with life. They're also really a big inspiration din for me. So I think yun yung, kaya parang tuwang-tuwa ko na okay yung connection. Actually, inas ko din, like I asked my client, how do I connect with you guys? Parang gusto kong humingi ng feedback from them para mailagay ko siya dun sa, about sa connection na yun. And they actually helped me with that. So feeling ko yung award na yun is not just for me, but I also wanted to share it with my client because they helped me out with that. Na nag-pitch in sila na ideas on how I connect with them, and then saka ko siya nilagay sa draft ko. So I think that's one thing na magandang way ni AVA to recognize your hard work. And as well as with the rewards that, kunyari, pag nakasama ka sa top performer, you receive rewards, which is a big help then for me. Kasi yung financial na reward na yun, uh, I actually, papadala ko sa parents ko sa province because they're living at the province. Kami na lang ni kuya ko yung nandito sa Manila. So that's one thing na masasabi ko din na malaking tulong din ni AVA. And then very thankful din ako. Actually, I'm very grateful for AVA. And kay Madam M. Kasi she's actually the one who also gave me a chance para makapasok sa AVA. Na siya kasi yung final interview. So, um, kumbaga, nakitaan na siguro din ng when the time na feeling ko wala akong potential, she saw that on me. So, very thankful. And here I am, nasa AVA. And for 3 years na din, tagat-tagat na. So, thank you so much, guys.